Welcome to today's story of automation. Inventory management process in manufacturing industries. This is Elisa. She works as an inventory manager at a manufacturing company. She has a friend, Speedy. It is an RPA bot who does all her repetitive work 24/7. She uses Speedy to help herself in the tedious task of inventory management. Elisa creates a list of the existing quantity of materials, the required quantity for the production, and the reorder level for each material. Elisa triggers a bot to get the further work done. The bot uses an inventory management software and creates a PO for the desired quantity. The PO is then sent to the vendor. The vendor delivers the ordered material and the bot gets triggered again. The bot matches the delivery challen and PO to cross-check the material quantity. The bot then updates the material quantity in the software. While Speedy does all these mundane tasks, Elisa interacts with vendors to get the best deals for the company. After all, a human's job is to do meaningful things. Does this excite you? We help humans become more human at work.